If you watched our video about how to install the sand filter on your Coleman pool, please disregard that video. We didn't know what the heck we were talking about. And thank you to this person for setting us straight. It wasn't the skimmer causing the problems. It was the fact that we hooked it up wrong in the first place. These B ports are supposed to go to the pump. We had them going out of the pump. And the A port over here would be the water going out, but we had it going in. So now it is hooked up correctly. We got the skimmer going. We have the directional thing over there. We have the little basket right there. And look at this. There's absolutely no air in this filter at all. So apologies. If you try to set up your pool the way we set up ours, you also did it wrong. But yeah, it's right now.